Hey guys, so today we're gonna play Bloons Monkey City again. Monkey knowledge. Alright, so we got some more upgrades on our boat or ship, whatever. And we built a ice house in the middle of near the desert. And it's raining right now. Okay, this is the rain cloud. Alright, so I've been trying to get this chest. And what is this? An engineer monkey trapped in a cage by the Bloons. I'm gonna go save him. That's gonna take a couple of days because my skill. I don't know how bad is it, but I'm trying. So two more terrains of this lake territory. I just gotta. Now I'm just gonna unlock that. Here's the jungle. Alright. Okay, now let's fight this kind of mountain. This mountain right over here. Let's go conquer this. Okay, so let's line all the monkeys up, including the sniper. Let's get the ice one, I think. Let's see what it does. It's not even close. Okay, what about if we put it right over here? Let me see what it does. Okay. So if it's... Will it freeze the balloon? Will this guy freeze the balloons? Oh, I saw some particles a little bit. So let's grab a boomerang thrower. I don't know what it does. This is actually it actually freezes the balloons. That jump scared me a little bit. Now we're at level 10. Rate it? I'll rate it later. King's Pack. 5,000 city cash. And what? 1,000 balloon stones? What now? An ad to get a free balloon stone? Alright, so we have surrounded this type of land area over here. So let's conquer it. It's like a spiral. Alright, so we're here at this area. So there's no dart monkeys allowed either. Well, that is trash. I cannot get a dart monkey at all. Okay, let's try to freeze them balloons. Oh yeah, it does freeze them. It just freezes them. I don't know if dogs can actually hold up with ice balloons? Well, let's find out. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Spiral. Haha. Attack shooter. Okay, what? I know what this does. It just shoots like, you know, a bunch of nails. It just shoots a bunch of nails. Okay. Oh, I almost lost a life. If I lose a life. Okay. Oh. Alright. Final round. Okay, I got myself. I just slowed down it. I just slowed it down a little bit. Okay, I lost a little bit of lives, but that's fine. I have nothing to afford with but just a glue gunner and stuff, and a wizard. Let's move the targets right. Oh, there we go. So we conquered. Okay, it's fine. We don't get any balloon stones, but that's fine. We only get XP and good cash. Alright, so we have successfully conquered, not successfully. Alright. I want to leave the mountains and jungles alone. Because, I want to, like, make the monkeys all see it, like this guy. Ooh, look at that jungle. It's pretty cool. Alright. Now can we attack people? Research. It's telling me to get medium and medium. So we have a zebra, a steel balloon, I guess, and a cyan, a tiny cyan. Look at this guy. It looks like he came from the Arctic. Looks like he came from Antarctica. I think he did. I'm trying to reach all the way to this helicopter guy. Okay, I did a little bit of upgrades. Whoa, cluster chaos. Let's see. But there's a volcano over here. Looks like a bunch of crystals. That crystal mountain looks like the mountain like from Puss in Boots. Alright, we have a volcano. Looks like it kind of looks like the nearest mountain range I live in. Kind of looks like it. Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!